welcome to the introduction of this beautiful poem, A Photograph by Shelley Towson. This poem takes us on a nostalgic journey into the past, capturing a frozen moment in time through a simple family photograph. As we explore the themes of memory, childhood, and the passage of life, we will uncover how a single picture preserves emotions, stories, and the fleeting nature of moment we cherish forever. Join us as we delve into the poem's meanings, poetic devices, and the timeless power of photographs.
Now, moving on to the poem. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hand, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so, all three stood still to smile through their high hair at the uncle with the camera, a sweet face. My mother's that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, was their terribly transient feet. Some 20-30 years later, she'd laugh at the snapshot, see Betty and Dolly, she'd say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter, both dry with the laboured ease of loss. Now, she's been dead nearly as many years as the girl lived. Under the circumstances, there is nothing to say at all. It's silence, silence.
Summary: A photograph. The poem A Photograph reflects on the poet's feelings about her mother's death through the lens of an old photograph. The photo shows the poet's mother when she was around 12, standing on a beach with her two cousins, holding hands and smiling. The photo was taken by her uncle. The poet comments on how time has changed everything. The girls in the photo are now gone or old, and the sea that touched their feet still remains unchanged. The mother who once looked at this photograph fondly and recalled her childhood has now been dead for many years. The poet expresses a deep sense of loss and silence. She misses her mother but finds it hard to express her grief in words. It's a pain that only silence can convey.
Now that we have gone through the summary, let's see how the poet brings the poem to life. Alliteration, like stood still and labored loss, emphasizes frozen moments, while metaphor turns the photograph into a symbol of memory and time. Personification gives it a voice. Imagery makes the scene vivid. An oxymoron captures the tension between forgetting and remembering, all working together to make the poem expressive.
Shelley Towson, Life, Career and Work. Early life. She born on 20 May 1924 in Henley-on-Thames, England. Studied English literature at Birkbeck College, University of London. Career. Worked as a journalist, editor and creative writing teacher. Known as a poet and writer of local history and folklore. Themes in writing: family bond, memory and nostalgia, grief and loss, history and landscape. Famous poem: A Photograph, that explores loss and remembrance, a widely studied poem in English literature syllabus. Legacy. Passed away in 2018, remembered for poetry and historical writings. Work reflects permanence of history versus impermanence of life.
What do you think is a photograph? Why do we preserve photographs? A photograph is a captured moment in time, preserving memories that may otherwise fade. It helps us remember people, places, and emotions that are important to us. We preserve photographs to stay connected to our past and to cherish moments that brought us joy or meaning. In the poem A Photograph, the picture of the poet's mother as a child brings back memories and emotions, showing how photographs can silently speak of time, loss, and love.
A photograph is a silent storyteller that speaks 1,000 emotions without uttering a word. Photographs freeze moments, but they melt heart every time we look at them. Third, a picture captures what the eye see, but a photograph preserves what the heart feels. Fourth, photographs are the bridge that connect our present with the memory of the past. Fifth, Every photograph is a time machine that takes us back to the moment we thought was gone.
Now, in front of you is the poem Memories, which explores how past moments, both joyful and painful, linger with us, capturing the emotions and stories that photographs preserve.